Hi everyone, welcome to Simpleforex Trader, and we're back with this live trading session. So today we actually took 4 trades, and all the trades are a winner. So this trade here is the Usdjpy, and that just, as you can see, it just hit our take profit target of 50 pips. So we took the trade here. Let me bring it up here. So we took the trade here. This is where we enter the trade, and entry. So once they enter the trade, we also put a stop loss down here. This is our stop loss. So our stop loss is down here. So looking at about here, just below the blue box there. And then we also set our take profit target here of 50 pips per trade. So TP here is where we took the profit. So just a moment ago, we just hit our take profit automatically here. So as you can see, so we also trade a few other pairs, but yes, we did well today. 4 trades successfully in the bag for 50 pips per trade. So I hope you enjoyed today's show. Our live stream is on every weekdays, and we try to do live stream every day if we can. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the live stream. So we're still on live now on our YouTube channel, so check it out. And yes, this video will be posted out shortly on our channel and to everyone else here. Thanks for watching, and have a lovely day.